start with Python programming, first we have to install the Python. So to install the Python, you have to go to the official website of Python. So here this would be the URL for that website. So you just need to type on Google to download Python, and once this website open, there is this download button, and you can download the latest version of Python. So I have already installed this, so I do not need to install it again. But you can, if you do not have the Python, just install it. You just need to go next, and once that is done, so Python would be installed in your Windows. If you have Windows, then there would be for Mac there would be a different, and for Windows there would be a different this download button. So once Python is installed, then we also need a code editor. So there are multiple code editor, so you can install one of them. So there would be a Pycharm and a VS Code. So I have both, but you can install one of them. So the project that we are going to develop, that would be in Pycharm. So it would be good if you can install the Pycharm. So there would be official JetBrains website to install Pycharm. So yeah, so once you go to the download windows, then just download it, and just press next, and Pycharm is also installed in my machine. If you have then it would be great. If you do not have, then you should install it. Okay, so these are the topics that we gonna cover in this Python series, from basic to advanced level. But first we need to clear the basic concept. Once our basic is done, then it would be really easy for us to understand the advanced topic. Okay, so after installing Python, let's start our first program. So as you know, the first program for every language is hello world. So yeah, you just open the Pycharm and create a new project. So I have already created this hello world program. So you can also create the new project. So just keep in mind, when you are creating a new project, then there would be a base interpreter. So you need to select the Python as a base interpreter, because base interpreter is nothing but it is a kind of connected to our Windows machine or our machine. So Pycharm give output to that our Python interpreter, and then that interpreter is communicating with the computer machine, and it will show the desired result which we want. Okay, so the new project hello world is created. So let's create a new file. So new file, so hello world. Okay, .py. So every Python file would be end by .py extension. Yeah, so here, so it is really simple to print anything in Python. Just give the print statement, double braces, double quote, then hello world. So once this is done, then just run it. So here there would be a run button. You can also have shortcut shift plus F10. You can decide, like you can set this shortcut according to your need. So in my machine it is shift plus F10. If you want to change, then that is also possible. So we can change that into setting. So we have to run this into terminal. Let me run it once again. Run hello world. So yeah, so if you see, the output of this is came here like that. So Python run the code line by line. So instead of this double quote, you can also use the single quote like that. And if you run it, yeah, so it would be same. But if you have single quote in that your statement which you want to print, then you should use the double quote. So like that, if I use double quote and hello, and there would be a single quote and word. So double quote with you need to use if you want to print this single quote. Yeah, so if you see, the output is, so this is our first program. I hope you understand it.